Do you know where's the best place to fly when everything is snowed in? Your local golf course. It's got a boundary, there's no one in it, and it's really safe. Just don't fall in a frozen lake or something.
All right, so today I'm testing P5G with the 04 Air Unit Pro. So here she is. P5G already comes with a dual antenna print, so that fits right on very nicely, and just push it all the way down. And I created a new front bumper so it's nice and protected. A lot of people are enjoying the P5G right now. So what's special about it is it has this solid aluminum base plate, and it's not just a flat base plate. There's actually like channels and ridges that really hold everything in place. You see how it's like so thick, and it has those ridges to hold all the arms in. So it's actually like a really solid quad, and you can tune the crap out of it, and it has minimal vibrations because it's that solid. So it's great for cinematic flight. Unfortunately, there is props in view. This is number one, a freestyle quad. If you don't want props in view, then you definitely just put the action camera on there. So what else is special about this quad is it has a shark fin TPU on when you mount a LiPo on it. So if you're like upside down somewhere, it'll definitely aid in turtle mode, and it'll protect your antenna and your battery as well as you crash. So far, nobody on planet Earth has broken the metal plate yet. Some have broken like 1 or 2 arms so far. Luckily, everything can be taken apart and replaced. So what's new with the P5G is I updated it with these skids. These ones have been used and abused, but there's usually a ProtoFPV logo on there, so you can now like slide on the road. And if you need replacements, you could either buy it from the website or you could just print it yourself. I provide all the 3D printing files online.
All right, enough talking. Let's go for a short rip.